Hi, it's Bruce, your Boomer Consumer, and this is the HIFIMAN HE400se Planar headphones. Now, I'd like to mention HIFIMAN sent these to me for review. However, all opinions are my own, and no one has reviewed this video prior to posting. For more information, I have posted our Amazon affiliate link to the HIFIMAN HE400se in the description below. The HE400se is an entry-level audiophile planar headphone that currently retails for $129 at the time of this recording. For the purposes of this video, I'll refer to them as the 400SEs. Some of the benefits of the planar headphones over dynamic driver headphones is reduction of distortion, increased transparency, as well as tighter and deeper bass response. Speaking of which, the 400SEs measure 20 Hz to 20 kHz using HIFIMAN's stealth magnet technology. These are very sensitive headphones at 91 dB, and they'll work well with smartphones, tablets, and more. Now let's talk about the build quality of the HE400SEs. Physically, they weigh just 13.8 ounces or 390 grams, and they feature a very soft and thick pleather padded headband with some of the most comfortable ear cups that I've had the pleasure of wearing. Built on an aluminum frame, the construction of these headphones are built very solid of metal and high-grade plastics. And after hours of listening, at no time do they feel tiring or heavy. The HE400SEs come very nicely packaged, and the first thing you'll notice is an information card about how the stealth magnets work and help reduce distortion. Next is the owner's manual with details on maintaining and connecting the headphones. Then there is the cable, which I measured up to be approximately 4 feet or 1.3 meters. There are two separate 3.5 millimeter connectors on one end and a 3.5 millimeter connector on the other end with a 6.35 millimeter adapter. And finally, the headphones themselves, they look absolutely stunning. Very beautiful set of headphones. Let's talk about the sound quality of the HE400SEs. The bass is very crisp, it is deep, it is punchy, with slightly warm midtones and nice bright highs. The presence was really excellent when listening to Dark Angel's Alive track. The next track I demoed with was the Diana Krall's A Case of You. The piano was just very lifelike. You could hear the strike of the chords on the piano. James Taylor's Gaia track, the bass guitar was utterly smooth, not muddy at all. Another demo track that I used is Daft Punk's Get Lucky, and the bass was really fast and powerful. Fleetwood Mac's Rihanna, I felt like I was on the stage with the performers. The bass is fast and deep, not muddy. Mids have a rich texture and maybe just be a bit warm, and the treble was clean with no distortion, and I never tired from listening to these headphones. Ultimately, the ability to offer such well-made, high-value set of planar headphones at this price point is amazing. The only cons I can think of are the lack of a travel case, and the included cable feels to be a bit on the cheap side. HIFIMAN clearly put the money into the headphones themselves, and in my opinion, this has to be one of the best values in audio today. So that's it. That's my review of the HIFIMAN HE400SE Planar headphones. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.